All right, so there's a book by Seth Godin called, there's a couple of books called Permission Marketing, The Purple Cow, All Marketers Are Liars, All Marketers Are / on the word liar, storytellers. We don't necessarily take all of the advice of Seth Godin, but sometimes we add some of his sayings into how we think. In other words, let's go back to slide number 1. Now, I'm not going to insert something purple into this presentation, okay? Because the presentation is set for about 4 to 5 minutes. But if I insert something purple into the presentation, don't consider it to be a purple cow. In other words, the underlying reason for making this recording is to find a non-traditional approach to you or the people that you're associated with and you to attend our courses. So before we get started, let's say how. American Indian style. So how to go from 7.5% Apache American Indian, which is myself, to 29% probably Sephardi Jew from Spain, all the way to my Spencer Royal line from England, and the Highlander Graham, a brother of Billy Graham and who immigrated from Canada many generations ago. Revenue flow. From only the building materials will teach you how. In other words, in the online world, there are some differentiations between the physical world, but there are some similarities. So let's say that you're a real estate investor with that owns 2,000 or 3,000 homes in the United States of America, and maybe a couple in other countries as well. And you're trying to navigate the ideal way to either build more or less, understanding the global footprint or the global work crews available, managing revenue flows, maximizing profits, but at the same time understanding the timeline for what's going to be valued at what time, in what way. Trying to think of, should we unload some of the portfolio? Should we add in more of the portfolio of underperforming houses or potentially overperforming houses, so on and so forth. Now, think about that in the way of individuals and even more importantly, or maybe less importantly, ideas. And at what time scale, how valuable or less valuable an idea or a saying or a source one could say, is valued during what time frame and on the proverbial or literal timeline of history. The answer is we don't really know. Sometimes we know, sometimes we don't know. With that being said, let's say your current task, the reason why you're probably listening to this recording more than a couple of minutes, is we have all the materials. We have what you don't have. All the materials are provided for you to form your own online company online through, thankfully, Google. Maybe some other companies as well, and so on and so forth, and some coding scripts and things like that to add in there. And the question is, do you have the roadmap? How? And at what stage or level will you need some additional advice or some opinions or some thoughts that you may have never heard from who's ever out there, from corporate companies or private companies who scaled successfully? Do you see what I mean? Oftentimes, you can't necessarily take a billionaire's advice on how to scale a small company from nothing to something. Number one, because they're not speaking at that level. So, in other words, for listening to this recording, we're going to give you a Forbes top 1,000 wealthiest individual list. That list is valued at, or used to be valued, or currently valued at $1,500, just for the list of names and how much they're worth. Okay. Also, if you join in, we'll give you the list if you join into an online event. Is that fair enough? So we're going to give you something just for joining in. So this is AutomationAnytime's how-to tutorial, and we're going to at the beginning we're going to say how, because that's how the American Indians landed the free, home of the brave. being that I'm a 7.5% Apache American Indian. Hopefully that's fitting. With Google, like we said, you have all the materials to form in a centralized location. The work crew, which assuming right now is only you or maybe a few other individuals or maybe a small company out there, or even mid-size or enterprise company, that you'll go from nothing we could do to something we can do, to doing or not doing, depending on a number of almost inconceivable variables. 6 steps. Step number 2, discover your spiritual mentor and or your literal mentor. In other words, for mine, just as an example right now, is about 8 or 9 different bosses. Your literal mentor for right now and hopefully ongoing is me. Listen to Automation Anytime's tutorial and build the same day. In other words, do and then listen, then do, then listen, so on and so forth. So either way, that's pretty much what people do, either figure out things on your own. What we've done is compress, at some point they'll explain to you my background maybe, but we've compressed the learning time into just a short amount of time. And you'll be able to include add-ons or supplementary materials depending on your ideal outcomes. We realize that not everybody wants to do the exact same thing. We actually, to a certain degree, frown upon doing the exact same thing. In other words, at some point, you want to be able to form things using your own mind and your brain and your capacities and so forth. That way, you won't need us anymore, unless maybe here and there. Join the online events, listen, and at least as much as you can handle to our ramblings, ideas, suggestions, and for the most part, hopefully it's not nonsense, but sometimes it lends itself to nonsense in some people's minds. Why? Because something very important may impact your brain to set you on a different trajectory, hopefully in the optimal and progress trajectory and direction with more ideal or at least financial outcomes. And probably the reason why you're listening to this is for financial outcomes, unless you're purely for art or research or something along those lines, which sometimes we lend ourselves to, if that's what you want. Step number 5. Why did we only articulate the number 2 and the number 5 in our numerical steps? And if you accurately answered the previous question, follow the next step. Contact us for a free trial of the Forbes Wealthiest Individuals, of which you'll be invited into an online event. The list itself is valued at $1,500. We'll send it to you for free, and then we'll go from there.